Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Optimum channel once again. Today, I came with a new video related to MS Excel. In this video, I have discussed about Format Painter tool in very detail. After completing this video, you will able to learn about a tool of MS Excel which is very useful. It will automate your process automate your process and decrease a number of steps in working on the MS Excel sheet. So today's topic of discussion is how to use Format Painter tool in the Excel sheet. So guys, let's start with the video. Today I will discuss how to use Format Painter in very detail. So let's start with the video. Guys, here you can see in the name of different towns and about circulation of each of the towns. So don't go on the data. I have just keep to do practical of Format Painter option. So first I will apply some changes on the name of a on the name of towns, and then I will use Format Painter. So in 1 minute I will apply some change on the name of Format Painter. Just select all the name of the towns, then go in font style section, select any style which you want. I will select Algerian, then go in font size. I will select 9, then I will apply font color to the selected cells, and I will keep the color in red, and I will go and I will selected a background color which is light blue. Now you can see that I have applied four types of tools of font section, and I want to copy the same tools just by one click for the for circulation result 2013, and I can perform all these changes just by one click and by using Format Painter. So I will select a cell whose format I want to copy. So I will select A4 cell, then click on the Format Painter and just select the cells where we want to copy the change. So I will select these two cells, and you can see that I am able to copy all the changes. So this is the use of Format Painter. You can use it anywhere in MS Excel sheet. You can its use is very high. So thank you so much, guys. This is all about today video. Subscribe my channel, and do likes and share with your friends. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice